Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about ClicksGenie. ClicksGenie is an online platform that allows users to earn money by shortening and sharing links. In simple terms, is a website where you can take long web link and make them shorter. Make them shorter. When you share this shortened link with others, you have the opportunity to earn money based on the number of clicks and views to your link. So using ClickGenie is quite straightforward. First, you create an account by clicking on register. Fill in with your username, your email, your password. Confirm your password. If you have been referred from someone, enter the referral code. You are not a robot. You accept term of policy. Now your account has been created. Next, once you logged in, you can enter a long URL that you want to shorten. ClickGenie will generate a shorter, more manageable link for you. You can then copy this new link and share it with your friends on social media or wherever you would like. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm not a robot. Let's go. Username with such email doesn't exist. What about now? Your account has not been activated. Sorry, I have to activate the account. Activate the account. And okay, where is the activation? Here. Why they send it to? Okay, now I'm not a robot again. You need verification code sent to your email. I like the way Microsoft Edge work. If I was in Chrome, I should click on another tab and access to Gmail. So where is the code? Okay, where is the code? Find your welcome email, this one, or activation link, click more. This is the activation. Oh, that's it. See tutorial, what does. So keep in mind, if you don't visit any of these ads and don't log into your account at least once every 15 days, your account will be deleted. Okay, how? Where is the... Okay, this is... Oh, this is the verification code. We... Don't tell me if I opened it will be... Okay, this is good. Now, this is the dashboard. So every time someone clicks on the link you shortened, you will have potential to earn money. Click ClicksGenie. Click. Sorry, there is a mistake here. ClicksGenie tracks the number of clicks your link receive and provides you with analytics and statistics to monitor your earnings. The more clicks your link get, the more survey you can make. So let's try it on a YouTube link. I have the best for this one. Here, here, here. Goodbye. Now let's no. Let's check this one. and shorten. Wait, no, I don't mean deposit. Where is my link? My referral link, don't mind the referral link. How to add a link? Direct, not direct, last history. This is the summary and where to add the link. Deposit money easily with a couple of clicks. Why do I need to deposit money? So this is the account. No membership, nothing. Purchase, commission. So where do I enter my link? What's here? News. What's here? My profile. This is it. This is my profile. Okay. Something wrong here. So where do I put my link? I will cut the video to find it. Or not. The platform also offers various features to enhance your earnings, such as referral programs, or where you can earn a percentage of earner of users to refer on to ClicksGenie. They may also provide tools and research to help you optimize your links and maximize your income potential. So yeah, I was mistaken. So this is how it works. You will receive daily emails on your email app. You open them, then every email will add something like 4 cents or something like this. To withdraw money, you go here. You can also only withdraw using PayPal. So the minimum is 5 cents. The maximum is $10. And this is it. The website is very simple and it helps you get money daily money, just by enabling notification from your email and adding, like they said, adding this website to your contact list so it won't be considered as a spam. Click on ClicksGenie, and here I will show you what I mean by this one. Here, so click on the 3 points. Mail, Google, no, I'm looking for Gmail. Add Genie, click to your contact. I will show you how. So let's go to Gmail and look for notifications. Genie, click. Now, where are the 3 points? Here. Not this one, I think. So it must be here. No, not this one, not this one. So here, this is it. So it's the fourth one. Nope. I don't have this thing. So I think it will appear just if this was a spam message. So this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.